I throw salute. Today welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk am how you see am. Tottenham Hotspur 1 and Liverpool 2. And we get Oga Shawzy will be like saying Ogbonge Arsenal fan, Ogbonge football fan make tell us about how we see this match. Oga Shawzy, Liverpool don't break Tottenham screen guard. Now how you think say this result go affect the Premier League, the title race and the top 4 race this season?
Well, for me, I did very happy because Tottenham did top 4. You understand? So for Liverpool to win Tottenham, now big one to me. So that at least that gap what they give people go still continue, go dey increase, go still continue. Well, like wetin I talk before now, after some time before, I say Liverpool na big side, we cannot count them off. Once they don start their winning run, na so they go because they get that winning mentality. Na just some few lapses. So I dey very happy say Liverpool call counter Tottenham so that at least that gap go see the increase. Liverpool they try. Now wetin I dey expect.
So to you, Liverpool don't do Arsenal a favour today.
Yes, now somebody wey be say dey my back, another person come push around. Na big favour to me now. A better favour to me. So probably another one again. Newcastle now they look them with Man City, they look them. No, that club called
Make
win
sure they
them.
drop form.
Yeah, so that at least my points go dey go up, their own go dey go down. That be my own.
So about Tottenham Hotspur, with what you dey see from them this season, you think say they'll make top 4?
Tottenham not fit make top 4. You know why I say Tottenham cannot make top 4?
Why?
Liverpool not fit dey say not play Champions League. Chelsea not go fit dey say not go play Champions League. Even though you no wan put Man U, but you see Liverpool and Chelsea, where you wan put them? Arsenal and Man City don qualify already. You understand? I don't see Tottenham plus the signings where they make, plus their coach, they never give me that strong football. Say okay, maybe they play match on the ease or they win on the state. They never give me. You understand? So I know if you can't them. I know say Chelsea they struggle, but you see that Liverpool could enter 3. You get now that 4 I not see, but that 30 I not make them.
Okay. So I want to ask you about Erling Haaland now.
Yes.
Today we see two of the big strikers like say they push for the golden boots. They battle for the golden boots normally. Mo Salah and Harry Kane they scored today. Yesterday Erling Haaland scored. You think say Harry Kane and Salah go fit cash out Erling Haaland for the race to win the golden boot this season?
No. See, they sign Alan come here, score goal. You don't understand? Okay, see now, when they get penalty, now Alan take am. You dey get me? If you watch De Bruyne now, if De Bruyne don't get 15 assists, Alan does convert 12. For example, shey you understand me? And Harry Kane dey struggle this season. Now Salah they pick body back now. So you cannot compare. That kind of goal machine, they build them to score goal. I don't know about the rest people. A leg long, a head long, everything long. So if you see him, and it's a big position. If Alan not does people for Premier League, well, he go use 10 goals stay past the rest people. Make them forget them. Make them go write Alan name self, give them. Just give them the award now. Whether against you, not against you, make them give her the award now. I know what they talk.
So I want to ask you about this Liverpool team now and the work which Jurgen Klopp they do. Now, how you they see what the Klopp they do? Because some people they talk say, be like say Klopp need to change some things. Say be like say need to bring in some players. Come say Klopp be like say he need to. The team done the hold. He need to rejuvenate the team. He need to bring players who go ginger the team. How you see other stuff where they talk about Klopp and Liverpool? Some people they talk say be like say they go even see they look Klopp work with Conor Ayew. How you they see all those kind of and Jurgen Klopp and Liverpool?
You see football when it comes to management and coach. It gets some people, they be good manager and they be good coach. Why it gets some they be good manager but they not be good coach. Why it gets some they be good coach and not be good manager. Sure you understand me? Like Klopp na good manager and a good coach. The only problem when I dey see with Klopp na say Klopp not get sub. Klopp not dey like do signings. I don't know whether na im policy say until I get who I really dream of before I go sign am. You understand? And you cannot sack Klopp now. What you never get for many years, he give you. So how you want to sack him? Money where you not get, he give you. You don't understand me? The club highest signing now be this Nunes now. For 7 years where they the club, and 8 years where the club, the highest signing na Nunes. So how you want to sack him? He dey manage the resources where their left back and right back. Now he manage how they take get the better market value now. Sure you understand me? So how you want to sack him? See, the only thing about me and Klopp when I dey vex for them, I say you not get second level like the way Man City get. Sometimes if it be say na money you go take get am. Why sometimes you get some kind of free agents, some kind of free footballers wey be say dem dey, their money cheap. You for collect them. Even though na for them to sit down bench dey learn, collect them. Na those players wey you no get. See Sadio Mane comot, e come be as if say na 4 people comot. Na only Sadio Mane. Na im dey affect Liverpool now. So I know say im get Diaz o, im get Firmino o, im get this other Portugal boy. You understand? So maybe all those are na im sub, all those are im backup plan, but e no work for now. So for her not to get problem with this with the board, and for her not to get problem with the fans, make it enter market January, make it Sammy not wait. Because I know that guy, he dey wait. He sabi wait well. So make it not wait. Now be just my own with Klopp.
All right, now, Augustus, thank you for your time. Your face show.